All homemade is her key strength. So she builds this personal account of power and passion. And thank you all for supporting and giving us a platform to see that lady entrepreneurs are coming
Neon
up.
signs light up the night.
I had some interactions with Punjab State. I had from
Electric hearts
Nagaland
in a
women. I
city
had
so
from Jharkhand.
bright.
So yeah, it's fun being here.
We're chasing dreams through pixel streams, dancing shadows under glowing beams. Let the rhythm take control. Feel the beat ignite your soul. Colors flash, they paint the air. Hold the moment, nothing compares.
And we have chole kulche, मिठी लस्सी, then गाजर का हलवा जो गजरेला बोला जाता है, that also is there, and we hope that everyone enjoys it. So I'm a teacher by profession.
Skyscrapers hum a steady tune.
Atmosphere. What are you learning from this platform?
Stars
Sir, it's
colliding
a great
under
experience. It has been wonderful. The response has been wonderful, and the way the whole quality has been coordinated with us is excellent. The every arrangement was really remarkable. The way it was easy to participate with the Google form, and then how it is encouraging all these women is remarkable. All the housewives have been coming up and putting up their delicacies here. Thank you so much.
The basic idea of this festival is sweet is only एक बहाना है सब मिलजुल कर पूरा इंडिया टुगेदर पंजाबी वुमेन नागालैंड वुमेन मलाली वुमेन all the major languages and cultures should come together to showcase what is the essence of India. The sweet and the festival is only the excuse to me. So that is the primary focus of this festival, to make India stronger by sitting together, standing together, celebrating together.
So I'd like to add, this is the true place to show unity in diversity.
Yes,
sir.
exactly.
This is what we feel. After coming here, making friends from all states, this is the perfect example for unity in diversity.
So 2017 when we started this festival first time, the idea was that only. India is a mini world.
Correct.
So Hyderabad is also mini India. So to showcase the mini India in one place, so this festival was created so that India becomes strong by showcasing its diversity and merging into strong unity.
Correct.
So unless all of us are coming together to become strong, then we will become weaker. So suppose if I say, if we have put all Punjabi stalls together,
Yeah.
then Punjabis when they come they will go to their counter only. Here to find a Punjabi delicacy they have to go all around, so that they will also see other people.
Correct.
So that is the idea, and that's why we have kept all the states in different corners of the entire stalls. Otherwise, no, there was an idea that all Kannadiga will be one side, Tamil will be one side, Malayalam will be one side. Then the entire unity and diversity will not come.
Tina is leading the women so she can help them and bring them. So she has coordinated
good.
and brought them.
Yeah, so I am from Guru Nanak Mission Trust, and we are helping empowerment of women. And we have got all the women who are from the Gurdwara, Sikandrabad Gurdwara, and they are come up with all the culinary delicacies here.
So next time, all of us will go to Chandigarh. There we will celebrate the
Most
Indian Sweet
welcome.
Festival there.
Sure, sir, I have a hope that.
She has lost 2 kg since yesterday. Relocating her stalls.
Good.
Thanks to the sweet.
ఎవరైతే ఎక్కువ స్టేట్లో పరిచయం అయినారో వాళ్ళకి ఆఫర్ ఇచ్చేస్తాం రైట్ చెప్తారా అర్థమైందా
Yeah. So this is from which district in Kerala? Which district? No, the Kerala. during Onam they do or what time?
No, any every time shops
Every time.
also.
This is the what time?
Sir, tell me.
Jaggery and coconut.
Sir,
మధ్యలో ఉన్నది
Hemant sir.
మంచి పోర్షన్ ఇస్తా. ఇంకా మేడం
Sorry?
బనానా ఈ మధ్య పోర్షన్ ఇస్తా. You work outside.
So which state?
Telangana.
Telangana state.
Jai Telangana.
Jai Telangana.
Speak.
Kejilama?
Woman empowerment.
Which
My
district?
son, my son.
Kejila? Hyderabad, no?
Hyderabad.
Okay, good.
Please.
Very nice.
So we can announce that ఎక్కువ మందితో దీనికి కూడా కాంపిటీషన్ పెడతాం.
Thank you.
About other states for participants. You can madam.
Yes, sir.
You speak your experience. You are for the first time. Yeah, you got this.
Thank you so much. My name is Arin Ingoli Christy. I'm from Nagaland, and I really thankful this for opportunity. And yeah, so my sweet is sticky rice with roti from Nagaland special, and another one is millet with honey, and another one is job deers with a milk. So this is amazing. People are really like it. They're so crazy. My counter is already over. Yeah, so little few is left.
What do you do in Hyderabad?
Sir, I'm doing in hotel industry.
You are working in hotel.
Yes, I'm working in hotel industry.
So you made everything in your home.
Yes, these all are from Nagaland organic. I bring from Nagaland, but I'm staying here. I prepare it my home. It's
So
a homemade.
what do you feel about this festival?
Very amazing. Yes. This is my first time. Even Nagaland State first time, and this year. This is our first time.
Yeah.
Thank you for being here. We have Nagaland participants. She says that please come fast.
Okay, what your
I'm teaching in Srinidhi Global. I'm a
Suppose,
teacher.
sir.
I'm teaching Srinidhi
your
Global
name?
School
You
Hindi
tell
teacher.
your name.
I'm Purnima. My name is Purnima.
हिंदी में बोलिए.
मेरा नाम पूर्णिमा है. मैं श्रीनिधि ग्लोबल स्कूल में पढ़ाती हूँ एज ए हिंदी टीचर.
Oh. And what are you doing here?
Very nice
Why did you
experience.
come?
Last year also I came. This time also came. Last year nice experience. That's why I came again in this stall. I will try again next year. I will come again. Definitely I will come with my
So
family.
what are you seeing in this festival?
So many states are there. Different type of varieties are there. After completing my stall, I will go to other stall. I will try. Definitely.
So learning about India more and more and
Sure,
becoming
yeah,
stronger.
that's why.
Yes. Pindi vantam. Okay.
హాయ్ దిస్ ఇస్ శరణ్య మౌనిక. నేను హోమ్ మేకర్ అండ్ చిన్న బిజినెస్ కూడా చేస్తాను. హోమ్ మేడ్ చాక్లెట్స్ విత్ డిఫరెంట్ మెనూ అన్నమాట. కస్టమైజేషన్ మెనూ కూడా ఉంటుంది. ఈ ఆపర్చునిటీ ఇచ్చినందుకు చాలా థ్యాంక్స్. లాస్ట్ టైం నేను విజిటర్గా వచ్చాను, అప్పుడు చాలా బాగా అనిపించింది. అందుకని ఈ ఇయర్ నేను పెట్టుకున్నాను. ఈ ఆపర్చునిటీ ఇచ్చినందుకు అయితే చాలా థ్యాంక్ యూ.
శరణ్య గారు మెయిన్గా ఈ ఫెస్టివల్ అనేది స్వీట్స్ అనేది ఒక అవకాశం మాత్రమే కలుసుకోవడానికి. ఇట్స్ ఓన్లీ ఎక్స్క్యూజ్ బట్ ది మెయిన్ సెల్లింగ్ పాయింట్ ఈస్ టు మీట్ ఆల్ అదర్ స్టేట్. భారతదేశంలో ఉండే అన్ని రకాల భాషల వాళ్ళని, అన్ని రకాల సంస్కృతి వాళ్ళని కలిసి మన భారతదేశం అంతా ఒకటే అని చెప్పడానికి ఇది ఒక అవకాశం. మామూలుగా పిలిస్తే బాగుంటుంది కాబట్టి స్వీట్ పేరుతో కలుస్తున్నాం. సో తెలంగాణలో ఈ ఫెస్టివల్ స్టార్ట్ అవడం, తెలంగాణలోనే ఇంత పెద్ద ఫెస్టివల్, మొత్తం భారతదేశంలో ఇంత పెద్ద స్వీట్ ఫెస్టివల్ ఎక్కడ లేదు. మొత్తం ఎంటైర్ ఇండియాలో, ప్రాబ్లీ ఇన్ ది ఎంటైర్ వరల్డ్ ఆల్సో, ఇన్ వన్ ప్లేస్ మోర్ దెన్ 1200 varieties of sweets made by homemakers. And for 8 years regularly. And this is 8th year. 8th edition. 8వ సంవత్సరం జరుపుతున్నాం. ఈ రకంగా ఎట్లయితే మనం స్వీట్స్ తిని హాయిగా హ్యాపీగా ఉంటామో, అదేవిధంగా మన దేశం కూడా అట్లాగే సుభిక్షంగా కలిసికట్టుగా గొప్ప దేశంగా తయారవడానికి ఇలాంటి వివిధ సంస్కృతి, వివిధ భాషల కలయిక అనేది ఉపయోగపడాలనే ఉద్దేశంతో పెట్టాం. సో మీరు మీ స్వీట్స్ అమ్మే టైంలోనే పక్కన స్వీట్స్ కూడా వెళ్ళి చూసేవాళ్ళు. మీరు మీ దగ్గర ఉండకూడదు అండ్ మీరు వెళ్ళి అందరూ కూడా పరిచయం పెట్టుకుని రావాలి. ఇప్పుడు ఈ సంవత్సరం ఏం చేస్తున్నారంటే ఎవరైతే పార్టిసిపెంట్ కనుక ఎక్కువ రాష్ట్రాల వాళ్ళ గురించి కనుక తెలిసే ఉంటాం వాళ్ళకి తెలంగాణలో ఉన్న పర్యాటక ప్రదేశాలన్నీ చూపించే ఏర్పాటు కూడా చేస్తాం.
Karnataka people say we ate it. Telangana people say we ate it. Maharashtra people also say that we know it. So when we eat some items which we are personally regionally items, other people connect easily, and through that we can diversify the culture and also the cuisine which we have. Because it's easy and it's overlapping. It's easier for others to understand and connect, which is the main motto of this program as well. So thank you sir for the opportunity.
And as I told, 2017, when we started this festival, it is to integrate.
Participated in 2018 as well.
2017 also you participated?
18 and 23-24.
Okay, great. So, as a financial advisor, a financial professional, working here for these 3 days and meeting all other people, how do you feel? So, this is a small excuse to meet people, but the
Connections are
connection is important. So, this is the idea that entire India should become stronger and stronger, so that nobody in the world will be able to shake us or make us weak. So otherwise, if we have kept all Kannadiga stalls at one place, what would happen? This integration will
Yeah,
happen.
there will be only one group.
Yeah, all Kannadigas will rush to that stall.
Yes.
And all Tamil sweets I keep at one place. All Tamils will go there. They will never go to other stalls.
True, that's true. Very good.
So here now, to find a Kannadiga stall or Kannadiga food, they have to go all around. In the process, they will see. So next time on the city, you have to put a big stand where they are from, which state, and what are they doing. So that learning is very important. Eating is only a small part of the entire experience.
Connection building is more important.
No, even the visitors should see.
Yes,
So
definitely.
suppose if they say she is from Gulbarga, she is from Hyderabad, she is from Kollam in Kerala, some other person is from say Simla and Himachal Pradesh, some other person is from Kolkata, somebody is from Kohima, Nagaland. So while going around itself, they will see the diversity, the strength of our country.
And it's helping homemakers as well. Who
Yeah.
are, striving for financial
See,
independence.
as a policy, from 2017 when I started this festival, as a policy we have not allowed sweet shops. We have not allowed any hotels.
That is
So it
main
has to be
advantage
from the homemakers only. It has to be homemakers. They only have to represent. No other person is allowed. So then you know that the last of women they used to say first time they are saying that they are feeling happy that somebody is eating the sweets made by
They're
them.
praising, yes, they're praising.
Normally
Appreciation
what
is very
happens
good.
is you cook for your own family, but when others are eating, see for a woman always she is like a mother, not only to her children, to everybody. So the more number of people eating her food, the happier she is. ఎంతమంది తను చేసిన వంట తింటే అంత ఆనందం. సో ఆనందం అనేది ఈ రకంగా వస్తుంది. మా ఇంట్లో ఉంటారు 5 మందికి 10 మందికి పెద్ద పెద్ద ఫ్యామిలీకి 20 మంది, ఇక్కడ ఒక 500 మందికి 1000 మందికి ఈ 3 రోజుల్లో మీరు ఇంట్లో చేసే స్వీట్ని మీ చేతి వంటని మీరు ఇవ్వగలరు.
Things could have built out to
Yes.
so that they can make much more.
And you see the strength of our country. All the best.
Thank you, sir.
Agra.
I am a chartered accountant.
Oh, yeah.
వాళ్ళ మదర్ కి హెల్ప్ చేస్తున్నారు.
Hear from her. Your name, your profession, where are you?
Hi everyone, happy Sankranti. My name is Krati Gupta. I am a chartered accountant by profession, and I am here to help my mom. She prepares khoatir laddu, samosa kachori, and walnut brownies, cupcakes, etc. So we are participating in this since almost 5-6 years. And it has been an amazing experience overall, meeting different people and knowing various dishes as well. So,
We
experience, altogether a different experience. I've seen dishes which I've never heard the name of also. I get to know okay, which dish represents what. So altogether a different experience and good one. Thank you for the opportunity.
Did you visit other stalls also?
Yeah,
Yeah,
I
see,
did good.
as I was telling there, the idea is to strengthen our country. So this sweet is also one cause. But the idea is every one of you should also mingling with others, understand each other's culture, and respect each other's culture, and respect the hard work done by the homemakers. That's why we made it as a point, only homemakers are allowed. No others is allowed. So very good. So now your Uttar Pradesh woman with the Chennai woman on this side and Karnataka woman the other side. So this will never happen. So that is the idea of what we wanted to do. So let us all make this country strong and strong by integrating all the cultures and languages together. So my request is to go around all the stalls, whenever you have a help here, go and introduce yourself to someone's stall, understand what they have got. So like that, that is the idea. And next time we'll also you display where are you from, which what is your profession, all that if it's mentioned. So people will understand, okay, a chartered accountant is coming and doing this thing. This is nothing for you. But the money what you get is 5,000-10,000. That's it. But the participation is which is more important, which is worth crores ka value hai. So these kind of festivals only will strengthen the country. The more we meet, the stronger we become. The less we meet, the weaker we become. And अपने लोगों से हम मिल रहे तो then दूसरों का क्या है, उनका अहमियत क्या है, what is their strength, what is their greatness, we will never understand. They will never understand unless they meet us. So this kind of festivals we are going to create more and more. So and this kind of festivals also will be done across the country. Like Lucknow में भी करेंगे, Chandigarh में करेंगे, they will do it in Kolkata. For example, Bengalis, they have the highest traditional sweets. Bengali is known for sweets. Even if you go to Kolkata, you will not find so many sweets at one place. So this is possible to an organization called CLICK. CLICK is culture, language, Indian connections. So CLICK is to connect India. Click to connect. Like computer, you click to get information. Here, you come to click to connect to India. So that is the idea. So click to connect, participate in click festivals more and more, so that we connect India together into a strong country. That is the idea. Right? Thank you.
We didn't expect this from any other state. This is the only state giving importance to all that women entrepreneurs. And what more happy is like if any problem is there in wire or something, immediately person will come and attend. All the employees and workers are very aggressive and doing the work very sincerely. And that organization and everything is very, very nice. And we came and
Organizers will చెప్తున్నారు.
Yeah, Tamil sir. I came for that meeting. This 9th I attended. Yes. Yeah, very nice. Yeah.
So thank you.
What is I am from Gujarat और मेरा यहाँ पे फर्स्ट टाइम है I am from ब्यूटिशियन मैं एक्चुअली ब्यूटिशियन हूँ और मैं यहाँ पे फर्स्ट टाइम स्टोर लगाई हूँ तो मेरा टुडे एक्सपीरियंस मच गुड रहा है और थैंक यू
So, when other time when we put up other festivals, will you be participating? Like we'll have snack festival, pickle festival, Any festival, so any click festival you will be participating.
I'm happy for today. बहुत अच्छा लगा हमें कि यहाँ हमें ये opportunity मिली है कि हम यहाँ पर stall लगा सकते
fabricate and
You are helping or studying? Where?
ब्यूटिशियन हूँ मैं यही हैदराबाद में जॉब करती हूँ मैं प्रॉपर गुजरात से हूँ और ये बड़ा होममेड फूड है जहाँ पे बड़ा दही बड़ा है चूरमा के लड्डू है और फलसी पूरी है
ये चूरमा की लड्डू है।
ये चूरमा के लड्डू है जो होममेड बने हुए हैं गेहूँ और गुड़ से बना हुआ है ऐसा है ये दही भला है और ये फलसी पूरी ये होममेड
Then give me one cover. వేరే కవర్లో ఇస్తుందిలే, దీనిలో జాగా
We
ఉందా?
have a Marathi. Hyderabad is such a cosmopolitan city. We need not call anybody from outside the state. వేరే రాష్ట్రాల నుండి ఎవరిని పిలవాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. హైదరాబాద్లోనే అన్ని భాషల వాళ్ళు, అన్ని సంస్కృతి ఉన్నవాళ్ళు హైదరాబాద్లో ఉన్నారు. మరాఠీ ఉన్నారు, కన్నడిగాలు ఉన్నారు, బెంగాలీలు ఉన్నారు, తమిళ వాళ్ళు ఉన్నారు, సింధీలు ఉన్నారు, విదేశీయులు కూడా చాలా మంది ఉన్నారు. ఆర్మేనియన్స్ కూడా ఉన్నారు, ఇక్కడ ఇరానియన్స్ ఉన్నారు, ఆఫ్ఘనిస్తాన్ వాళ్ళు ఉన్నారు. అన్ని దేశస్తులు హైదరాబాద్లో ఉన్నట్లుగా ఇంకా ఏ సిటీలో కూడా ఉండరు. ఇది ఎందువల్ల జరిగిందంటే మన హైదరాబాద్ సంస్థాపకులు మహమ్మద్ కులీ కుతుబ్ షా ఆయన మొట్టమొదటి ఫౌండేషన్ స్టోన్ వేసినప్పుడు ఆయన ఏమన్నారంటే ఒక మహాసముద్రంలో అన్ని రకాల అన్ని జాతుల చేపలు రకరకాల ప్రాణులు ఎట్లయితే ఉంటాయో నా నగరంలో కూడా అన్ని ప్రాంతాల వాళ్ళు, అన్ని రకాల సంస్కృతి వాళ్ళు, అన్ని భాషల వాళ్ళు, అన్ని దేశాల వాళ్ళు నా సిటీలో కూడా అట్లా ఉండాలి, అందరికీ ఇది ఆనందకరమైన నగరంగా రూపొందాలని ఆయన ఎట్లయితే ఆశించారో అది ఈరోజు మనం చూడగలుగుతున్నాం. ఇది వేరే రాష్ట్రంలో పెట్టాలంటే వాళ్ళు వేరే రాష్ట్రాల నుండి పిలిపించాలి మనుషులు. సపోజ్ ఇప్పుడు ఇదే ఫెస్టివల్ని మనం ఉదాహరణకి సినిమాలో పెట్టాలనుకుంటున్నాం, కొంతమంది అక్కడ ఉంటారు కానీ చాలా రాష్ట్రాలను పిలవాల్సి వస్తుంది. హైదరాబాద్లో ఢిల్లీలో ఎట్లాగైతే అన్ని వాళ్ళు ఉంటారో ఢిల్లీ బాంబేతో ధీటుగా హైదరాబాద్లో కూడా అన్ని ప్రాంతాల వాళ్ళు ఉంటారు. అట్లాగే బెంగళూరు కూడా ఇప్పుడు అలాగే తయారవుతుంది, చెన్నై అట్లాగే తయారవుతుంది, కలకత్తా అట్లా తయారవుతుంది. సో ఒకటొకటిగా మనం అన్ని ప్రాంతాలను కలుపుకుంటూ ఉండే ఒక మహా సంస్కృతి సమ్మేళనం అనేది మన దగ్గర జరుగుతూ ఉంది. సో లెట్స్ ఆల్ బి హ్యాపీ అండ్ వీ షుడ్ మీట్ మోర్ ఆఫెన్ లైక్ దిస్. ఎక్కువసార్లు కలవాలి, లేకుంటే ఎవరి పండుగలు వాళ్ళే జరుపుకుంటే, ఎవరి భోజనం వాళ్ళే తింటే, ఎవరి స్వీట్లు వాళ్ళే ఇంట్లో చేసుకుంటే మిగతా వాళ్ళకి తెలియదు కదా. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ అవర్ ఆపర్చునిటీ టు మీట్ others, understand others. So, you have to go around. Sometimes आप जाइए, sometimes you go. So, go to other stalls, see other stalls, understand. So you have interaction with them. Then only the purpose of this festival is met. Otherwise, this 5,000 is not a big deal. Like the chartered accountant has come, a teacher has come, or some finance manager has come, some HR manager is there. So for them, this 10,000-15,000 is not a big deal. The idea is to meet more people, idea is to share their happiness, idea is to interact with others, idea is to appreciate others' cultures. కాబట్టి ఇది కూడా తిరుగుతూ ఉంటుంది. తిరిగి రేపటికంతా మళ్ళీ నేను వచ్చి అడిగాను ఏ స్థాయికి వెళ్ళాలంటే మీరు ఫలానా వెళ్ళని చెప్పాలి.
Welcome to our stall. So I'm Harshni. I'm working in Verity Knowledge Solutions as an HR. It's an investment banking company. So we have been putting up this stall since more than 3-4 years here. And these are all healthy laddus which we have made. This is coconut laddu. This is til laddu, chocolate laddu, and coconut laddu. So you can also try this.
So, where do you work?
I'm working as an HR in an investment banking company. It's Verity Knowledge Solutions.
So, what do you feel coming and participating in festivals like this?
I'm very happy. I mean, being an HR, of course, I love to meet people around, so I get to interact. We get to understand who's interested in what type of sweets, savories around. So I'm happy about even the Kite Festival. It's quite enjoying and entertaining.
Yeah. So the way you are able to see whole India in one place.
Yes, Hyderabad is fully diversified.
Even in this table,
Yes.
this is for
Right.
Marathi, Gujarati, Tamil, then other people like this same place. You are able to see.
So now that we all also have become friends, we
Yes.
share things.
That is good. Very nice.
ఇంకోటి at the same time కల్చర్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ కూడా అక్కడ
Really great. I would be really happy for joining next time to this event. Thanks everyone for the opportunity. Thank you.
once again say your
Please
place.
note the same dates.
Your name.
Not change.
No, your name and profession listed. Dates will be remain same in that.
13, 14, 15 of January.
You
Every
tell
year.
about once again. We have to record it. Your place.
So hey everyone, my name is Garvat Kucheria. I'm a 4th year computer science engineering student. My mom is a professional home baker. She's prepared everything which we are putting on our stalls, including cupcakes, brownies, cake jars, cake pops, etc. And I'm from Rajasthan. Very happy and like very proud of everything that's happening in India. Also, the dates are as usual 14th, 15th and 16th of January. Thank you everyone for the opportunity.
हेलो नमस्ते सर, मेरा नाम सुनीता है और मैं उत्तराखंड से और यहाँ पे हमारा आलू का पराठा और हमारा उत्तराखंड का जो मेन फेस्टिवल में बनता है वो गुदी वो भी प्रेजेंट कर रखा है यहाँ। और मैं हाउस वाइफ हूँ और आज पिछले साल से यहाँ पे स्टॉल लगा रहे हैं और स्टॉल लगा के बहुत अच्छा लगा।
और किसी और लोगों से मिले, दूसरे राज्य के लोगों से मिले क्या?
हाँ सर, यहाँ पे मेरे पड़ोस में यहाँ पे आसाम
Assam,
नागालैंड
Nagaland.
वो लोग हैं और वहाँ पे मेरे पड़ोसी उत्तराखंडी हैं।
राजस्थान है.
ठीक है होना चाहिए. दो तेरे उत्तराखंड का.
Thank you sir.
Thank you.
What's your name and what do you do?
What's your name and what you do?
My name is Sandy. I'm a housewife.
What's your father?
And I'm from Nagaland. And I'm representing myself. I have a few, 2-3 varieties of sticky rice. And we have some wild assorted dry fruits. And we have homemade jaggery from our hometown. These things, we bought everything from Nagaland.
Very nice. So I'm sure you know that our governor is from Nagaland.
No, he's from Tripura. He's from Tripura.
So, what do you feel about meeting so many cultures, so many languages at one place? Otherwise, it's not possible to meet so many people of talking, speaking so many languages at one place, no?
Which district you are by the way? Which district in Nagaland? Dimapur. I was posted 657 over there for 3 years.
Actually, this is like, it's the first time for me. But I'm not new in Hyderabad. I'm here for the last 2 years.
Yeah.
So, of course, it's very excited to see someone.
Yeah.
To see all mixed culture.
Yeah, that's how we become strong. Yes.
One by one you can take a round from this.
Yeah, you have to go around. Yeah. Hello, next.
నమస్కారం అండి, తెలంగాణ. నా పేరు వచ్చేసి ఏంటంటే హోమ్ మేడ్ ఫస్ట్ టైం ఇంతమంది జనాన్ని ఫస్ట్ టైం మేము కైట్ ఫెస్టివల్లో తెలంగాణ నుంచి మాకు మంచి ప్లేస్మెంట్ దొరికింది మేడం. ఇదేంటంటే మేము ఇంట్లో చుట్టాల వరకు ఇంట్లో చేసుకున్న పిండి వంటలు ఈ స్థాయికి ఇక్కడ దాకా రప్పించినందుకు మాకు గవర్నమెంట్ నుంచి చాలా కృతజ్ఞతలు మేడం. మేము ఏంటంటే స్పెషల్గా జొన్న ముద్దలు ఉన్నాయి, సకినాలు, సకినాలు, కారం సకినాలు, రవ్వలు ఉన్నాయి సార్.
Lunch cover nahi.
చికెన్లు తయారు చేస్తున్నాం సార్.
Roll over कर लो.
మిల్లెట్ ఫుడ్ తయారు చేశాం సార్. చాలా
Already done 20-25 now, है ना? आज सर के साथ 20 किया. चल, और बहुत.
Namaskar.
what they brought and how they are feeling. What are you doing otherwise?
We are housewives.
ये हाउस हाउस
All are housewives. We are staying for 7 years.
7. And how many times you participated?
Participated minimum 5 years. Almost 5 years.
5 years.
ये क्लोज करो खास करो
Yeah, how do you feel? Acha, you can tell in Hindi.
We are feeling very excited.
कौन कौन
Very
बना था
good to
हिंदी
see
को
the crowd.
कौन कौन बने था हिंदी को अपन बोल दो वेरी नाइस गुड
She's in Ethiopia. So she started some business there.
No, she's going to university. She's a lecturer.
She's a lecturer.
Yes.
Okay. She looks like
Jani's daughter
young starter. So they stand nearby. They look like the sister. No, not like mother. Next generation. They are also both of them. Oh, they not so much. Very good. Tell something about the start business. Put half. Put half. No English is good.
half half sir and madam both of you half half
बस बस